Hello guys and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can simply pay someone on the Binance app. And our first step is opening up Binance, and once Binance opens up you head over to the Binance Pay section, which is at the top right corner of the screen just beside the notification icon. Okay guys, and once you're on the Binance Pay menu, you can as well send cryptocurrencies using the send option right here. You could directly send to a distinct pay ID. You could send to a pay ID or a Binance ID. They are both the same thing. You could as well receive payments on Binance. You can also send cash directly to your bank account. You could send gifts as a crypto box. You could top up your mobile data or calling time, and you can as well use the settings menu here. You can get your Binance ID, your pay ID from here as well. All right guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can pay someone on the Binance application, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.